Eid ul Fitr Mubarak to all of you. My name's Shajib Ahmed. I am an enthusiastic English content creator. I make videos to help them who wants to learn this language very confidently and very easily. Ramadan has left us. Ramadan has left us, but many of us haven't cancelled the alarm system it to get up at the same time. হ্যাঁ, আমাদের অনেকে এখনো সেহরির অ্যালার্মটি বন্ধ করে রাখিনি, কিন্তু রমাদান আমাদের থেকে চলে গেছে। But I wish may Allah accept our all the roja, may Allah accept our all the dua and salat. That's my hope. And may Allah keep us alive till next Ramadan. That's my hope. So don't forget to stay connected with me. My channel Shajib English Academy. The link is comment section on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and being a part of my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.